Hi, so you're thinking about using a clickable to start off or near the beginning of your unit. So you can start off this template. This is sort of a James Bond themed template. Again, you're going to change the name to whatever you like, right? Make it your own. And again, you can change whatever text you like. Just click on it. Maybe it's too wordy, what have you. I have music embedded already. That James Bond theme is going to play. When they click on the slide, you can certainly delete that or change it to a different song. You can change the image for sure, whatever. Right? You can just insert a different image there. Again, this is for high school, so this can be a little bit wordy. So feel free to click on, change, get rid of some of the language, and simplify away. Okay. Again, change. My character happens to be a water molecule, which looks a little bit like Elmo. Whatever character you think is going to work for your topic, that'd be great. Yeah, I give information. Again, you're going to put your information, whatever your topic is, in here. Now, when you get to the questions, the interactive pieces, this is where you want to be careful with formatting. You can either change the formatting or keep it as it is. If you keep it as it is, you got to look at the links. So this is an interactive question. The correct answer, click on it, is going to take them to slide 8. Notice, so if this is the correct answer, it takes them to good job. Click on that again. If they get it wrong, it's going to take them to nope, try again. Nope, try again. So slide 7 is that. So if you want to keep it, you can either change how it links or you can keep the correct answer being C. Your choice. And you can add whatever information for your topic that you like. Feel free to insert your, whatever images you like as you go along. The animation's already there, so if you do remove things that have animation and you want to add animation to your objects, you're going to have to do that separately. Okay, this is interactive. Click on which is an element. This is the one that's an element. It's going to send them to slide 14, which we can see is the good job. That's the correct answer. If they click here, let me go back. Okay, there we go. That's going to send them to the good job answer. And this, I think, is just going to keep them there on the same slide. And probably send them to the next slide, which is slide 13, which will send them back again. Okay, next. Again, add in your own content and just keep a lookout for those ones that are interactive to make sure they link to either try again or that's correct. So I hope you have some fun with this. This is quite long. Again, it was for high school, so feel free to delete slides you don't need, make it as interactive or not as you like. One thing I have at the end is I like having my students, after they're done, have a debriefing in a short Google form, which is like my exit ticket. You can delete that. This will link to the Google form, or you can keep it in and have the Google form that it links to be whatever questions you have taught them in the lesson. Okay, good luck and have fun.